Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing La Quinta by Wyndham Tumwater, Olympia. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring 3-star accommodations, La Quinta by Wyndham Tumwater, Olympia is located in Tumwater, 3.5 miles from Hands-On Children's Museum and 2.9 miles from Washington Center for the Performing Arts. The property is around 3.1 miles from Olympia Community Center, 17 miles from Great Wolf Lodge Grand Mound and 24 miles from Southwest Washington Fairgrounds. The hotel features an indoor pool and a 24-hour front desk and free Wi-Fi throughout the property. The units are equipped with air conditioning, a flat-screen TV with cable channels, a fridge, a coffee machine, a bath, free toiletries and a desk. Certain rooms will provide you with a kitchenette with a microwave and a stovetop. All guest rooms feature a private bathroom, a hairdryer and bed linen. Pacific Lutheran University is 27 miles from the hotel. The nearest airport is Seattle Tacoma International Airport, 50 miles from La Quinta by Wyndham Tumwater, Olympia. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.